So is your RV roof doing this, leaving streaks all down on the corner radius and all over your windows, windshield, down the side of your freshly detailed coach? If you'd like to see how we fix this at Sewell Motor Coach, then please invest the next 4 minutes with us so I can show you how to prevent this. So what we're working on today is a 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red. It blows me away that this coach is already doing this new. Imagine an older coach. There are multiple ways to do this, folks. This is the way we do it. I'm not advising that anyone else does it this way, but I am going to share with you our method of how we treat these roofs, and it has proved to be a good thing so far. So after we've already performed our roof inspection and sealed anything that needs to be sealed, we're going to take our blue microfiber towel and we're going to put it on our Swiffer, as you see here. So we've got degreaser in our spray bottle, and we're going to apply this generously from front to back, and we're going to wipe every inch of this coach down. You may have to use a hand towel to get every little nook and cranny. That way you get all the dirt off of this roof, this ZEP. You do not want to seal any of the contaminants into the roof with this ZEP. So our next step is we're going to actually pull this coach outside, and we're going to use a pressure washer to pressure wash the roof to make sure that we get everything off. You can just use a water hose and work your way front to back or back to front, just making sure to bring everything with you, get all the degreaser off. Now we're actually going to apply our ZEP, our roof coating, to this unit. So what we're going to apply to our roof next is actually a hardwood floor polish. ZEP is the brand. I'll leave in the description a link on Amazon for this product. It is extremely cheap for what you get out of it. It actually hardens up to be a protective film on the roof itself. If you get it on your hands, you'll see what I'm talking about. So the way I apply this is the same way I applied the degreaser. I actually put a white terry cloth on the Swiffer this time, and I've got a squirt bottle that I'll apply it generously. You may have to do 2 coats. I had to do 2 coats on this unit. It'll leave like what they call fish eyes in the coating itself. You'll have to apply the second coat just to make sure it's all covered evenly. Try not to get it on the paint itself. It won't shine like an actual wax polish will. As you can see, this roof has a super high gloss finish to it now. You can see the sun reflecting in it. Before, this coach was extremely dull, as you saw before. Here's a final look at this coach. You can see it's super shiny, should be well protected for this future customer. And the next project I have is this 2018 London Air that James actually brought into us. It's doing the same thing. So if you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I plan to drop 4 videos at the same time to kind of showcase what kind of videos I'm putting on Asher RV. So if you don't mind, just let it autoplay to my next videos and see what it's all about. Thanks, folks.